Okay, so let's look at the inequalities at the bottom. Let's start with number 17. The inequalities are really the same. There's only one trick you need to remember towards the end. Okay, so I'm going to change each side to a logarithm. And on the left side, this b plus 1, the exponent, I'm going to put in front of the logarithm. So I have b plus 1 log 2 is less than log 7.31. And I'm going to distribute log 2 to the b plus 1. So I'll have b times log 2 plus 1 times log 2 less than log 7.31. So that way it helps me break apart that binomial and I can get the b all by itself.
You can just move the b plus 1 to the front of it?
Yeah, because I'm using one of the properties that we learned from yesterday. When you have an exponent, you can put the exponent in front. It's like, yeah, you remember? Okay, log base. Okay, so I'm going to subtract this log 2. So I have b times log 2 less than log 7.31 minus log 2. Now this is where you have to remember a little trick. You know, whenever you're working with inequalities, if you multiply or divide by a negative value, you have to flip the sign over. Okay, but this log 2, I don't know if it's negative or positive. So you need to evaluate what that is first before you divide, so you know if you have to flip your inequality over or not. So you're just going to type into your calculator log 2 and see what the value is, if it's positive or negative. In this case, it's positive, so I don't have to worry about changing the sign or anything. I'm just going to divide both sides by log 2. In the numerator, you're going to have to put parentheses around the entire numerator. Be very careful when you're typing that in. And go ahead and evaluate what that should be. And I'm going to put it up here and show you how I'm typing it in. So I'm closing the numerator with double parentheses and then divide by log 2. And I'm getting about 1.86. Okay, 87, you're right. 0, 0. Any questions?
Type it in one more time.
Yeah, I'll type it in one more time. Okay, so I'm starting with a parenthesis. Log 7.31. And close that parenthesis, because they open it with a parenthesis when you type in log, minus log 2, and then double the parenthesis at the end. Divide log 2. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, let's do number 18. Okay, you guys do that one at your desk and I'll do it up here. Make sure everybody knows how to do this. Don't forget to figure out what log 9 is, so in case it's negative, you need to flip the sign over. Okay, and I'm getting about 2.096.
Yes.
Okay. Because